Well, vlog. Sabina's got a sufflage with the different bread. The
It looks like, I think I've just got a normal one.
all right. And I've got half a piat, an open plate of chicken for that. Yum. G'day, vlog. We're in Saranda beach, and see they had a big merry-go-round thing, and I guess they're slowly packing things away after the big season. There's the star there. Irish pub, Rock and Blues. Yeah, so they have to put all this stuff out and pack it all away again. Do you think they'll just leave these huts and things here? So much work just to entertain holiday makers. Oh, anyway, there goes the flying dolphin. There's the flying dolphin there. It's not a catamaran. What's it called? A hydrofoil. There's the hydrofoil. It comes out of the water pretty quick. Our Nasto's closed again for winter. Here's the bell. So that ferry's going to Corfu. It only takes about an hour or something on that hydrofoil. It's pretty quick. So we're heading up to the port now. They've got this nice little entrance light things. Yeah. Maybe they'll leave it up longer. That's cool. Little boaty boats parked. Oh, there's a Burger King. Ooh. Yeah. So there's the boaty boats. The Marnie's. First restaurant I ever ate at. Is that true? No, it's not true. In Saranda anyway. 10 years ago. Monte Napoleon, Milano. Oh, SBS. Didn't know SBS was here. Anyway, Vodafone. Anyway, vlog out. So this is Boulevardi Hassan Tassini. And more boaty boats. But yes, later in season, there's buskers everywhere, and as you know, I've filmed a lot. That's a nice little place in winter, very peaceful, and all the cyclists and hikers and that come this time of year because it's nice doing bushwalking and stuff. Boat tours, cool. Yeah, but this building's finished now. And this one's getting there. Yeah, I never would have been able to do that. And they've completely changed the idea of this one. Because it was for sale for years. And actually I almost felt like getting it. But I mean, don't have the money, so. But you can't beat the location. It's facing the water. Left the Tello, Mitro Jani, Vasil Lachi, Nikolai Torga, oh okay, so that's Roman, like Italian, Albanian, Nikolai Yorka. Modern state. Ah. Archaeological Studies Research in Albania. Cool. Okay. The water's so peaceful looking. And with no swimmers, it's very clear. Here's a little diving board. So, yeah, nice beach. And this is the remaining piece of, I think it was a statue or something. Anyway, there was some like building. And they just got that bit. And there's a little, it fell off here. Like a little archway thing. But they've got that Byzantine style about it. Amazing how long things last. Like hundreds and hundreds of years. Let's become the new business model. Anyway, we think the merry-go-round playground thing came from the amusement part, pier part, which is, oh yeah, I've been there before. See all the little rides and things. It's full of kids in season. If you like pizza, this is the place to come to. I'm not sure if that playground thing came from here.
No.
Yeah, so the people make all their money late spring, summer, early autumn. Then they go away somewhere, I guess. Go to Greece where it's a bit warmer. So we just got to go up the stairs and it'll be at the immigration office. So we're doing beautification works. They've done the entire beach. Looks nice though. Yeah, see, they fill it in with sand or something, cement. See, that's not been done yet. Looks good. And here's the port of Saranda. That's where you catch your ferries across to Grečki. Cool. Oh, actually, to Italy as well, maybe. Oh, more stuff. Gee, it's nice look though, isn't it? That circly thing. It's a theme through the whole suburb. That's where you catch the hydrofoil. Yeah, so this is all concrete underneath the pavers. It's going to last forever. And there's the old style. See, it's like square looking prefabricated bizzos. They've made this wider actually. So it's pedestrian friendly, but not car parking friendly. Okay, and now the Commissariati Palizza Kufitara Saranda. Here it is. Found it. Well, vlog to finish off, we're going to have some 1954 flame grilled Burger King Saranda Beach style. Cool. Well, vlog, here's the story about Hungry Jack. Real food tastes better when it's flame grilled. Our beef patties are 100% beef with no additives, no preservatives, no nonsense. There's a preservative called nonsense apparently. Our tomatoes and onions are freshly cut in the restaurant every day. No colours, flavours, preservatives, artificial colours, blah blah blah, whopper. That's how every whopper is made. Ah, but what about the other burgers? That's the Crown standard. Oh, they're repeating themselves down the bottom. Yeah. So vlog, we've got 2 drinks, we've got 2 chips, we've got ketchup,
Yeah.
and then we've got
Salt,
cream,
yeah.
we've got salt, and then, oh, that's salt there, okay, cool. And I've got a double bacon king. Yum. Oh, does yours say what it is?
Just water.
She's got a Whopper. Look, vlog, they've got organic, environmentally friendly plastic straws, which means I can enjoy my drink for a change.